Hey folks, this is Craftmatic. Just wanted to bring you another episode of Minecraft. Today I want to talk about asking for help. Everyone listening to the sound of my voice has a problem. Some are small, some are big, but you are facing something that you really don't know how to fix. It could be your car, it could be your money situation. You may need some advice on insurance. You may be some advice on colleges. You may need some advice on taxes. There may be all kinds of issues that you have in your life, but you're not going to be able to solve those problems on your own. And so today I'm encouraging you to ask for help. We see, when you ask a mechanic for help, you get to utilize his 20, 30, 40 years of experience. He can add value by protecting you, leading you in the right direction, making sure you don't get taken advantage of. His help offers you a tremendous amount of value. It saves you from making the mistakes of not having his knowledge and experience. That's something that we all need to do a little bit more of in our lives, because the problems that you are lounging on, there is someone who can help you fix it just like that. And I want you to start thinking of your greatest resource as, who is the person who can help me answer my questions about my problem? Who is the person who's been down that avenue, who's made those mistakes, who's owned that business, who's been able to achieve those things? Let me ask them how to overcome this problem, because I'll promise you, they already know. There is nothing new under the sun. Don't try to solve all these problems yourself. There is an entire world of experts all around you. It may be your mother who introduces you to a lawyer. It may be your friend who introduces you to a chiropractor. But you got to ask for help. There's too much knowledge and information for you to try to do anything on your own. And I'm encouraging you to go and get someone else, some other person. We call that favor in the world I live in. Get some other person who can help protect you and help guide you toward real solutions and real quick, tangible answers for the problems that you've been facing perhaps for a long time. Help is available, and help is on the way if you simply ask. This is Craftmatic, just trying to elevate your life through great wisdom, and asking for help is probably the greatest advice that I could give you.